What's up, guys? I'm just gonna do a real quick bike check. Alright, here we go. My frame's a Haro zebra frame. My forks are the Haro zebra. And my tires are the Animal GLH. My front rim is an Alienation plain black rim. Got these little Mission belt caps. My Mission stem, a red Shadow Conspiracy cable with some perfect 10 bars. Those bars are humongous. You wouldn't even know they're fucking huge. And this brake cable, it's an Elite. And my grips are the ODI long neck grips. And my bar ends are the Stolen Vertex. And that's it for that part. Over here, the sprocket is the Sabrosa Skeleton Crew. The chain is a mechanic chain. And the pedals are the Odyssey PC pedals. And little seat clamp from Animal. And the seat is a McNeil Pivotal. And same tire in the back, Animal GLH. And same rim, Alienation plain black rim, 9-tooth driver, and 25-tooth sprocket. Just regular, everything else. That's it. You guys want to hear how this hub sounds? Just hold on. Alright, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching.